Redmond homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to make their homes more energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and visually appealing. One of the most effective upgrades, yet often overlooked, is replacing old exterior doors with modern, eco-friendly alternatives. Today's sustainable replacement doors don't just benefit the planet, they elevate curb appeal, improve comfort, and enhance home security. For Redmond residents who value environmentally conscious living, upgrading to greener door options is a smart investment that delivers both style and sustainability. Here's how eco-friendly replacement doors can transform your Redmond home. Why eco-friendly doors matter in Redmond. Redmond is known for its lush green landscape, eco-forward community culture, and variable Pacific Northwest weather. With cool winters, wet seasons, and mild but humid summers, homeowners need doors that offer durability, insulation, and long-term performance, all while supporting sustainability efforts. Eco-friendly replacement doors help reduce energy consumption, lower heating and cooling costs, and minimize environmental impact. They also offer superior insulation, keeping Redmond homes comfortable no matter the season. Energy-efficient fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are one of the most popular eco-friendly choices for Redmond homeowners. They are made using recyclable materials and provide excellent insulation, making them one of the best options for reducing energy loss. Benefits include superior thermal performance, resistance to warping, swelling, and rotting, long lifespan with minimal maintenance, excellent sealing to block drafts and moisture. Because they mimic the look of real wood without requiring deforestation or harsh chemicals, fiberglass doors offer the perfect balance of sustainability and style. Sustainable wooden doors from responsibly sourced timber. For homeowners who love the warmth and beauty of natural wood, eco-friendly wooden doors remain a top choice. Many manufacturers now offer doors made from FSC-certified wood, ensuring the materials come from responsibly managed forests. These doors offer timeless aesthetic appeal, natural insulation properties, longevity when properly maintained, lower environmental impact when sustainably sourced. With modern finishes and weather-resistant coatings, sustainable wooden doors can withstand Redmond's moisture-heavy climate while maintaining their natural beauty. High-performance steel doors. With eco-friendly quartz steel doors are another excellent option for homeowners looking to boost both sustainability and security. Modern steel doors often feature eco-friendly insulating cores, such as polyurethane foam, which significantly improves energy efficiency. Steel doors provide exceptional durability and strength, high insulation value, recyclable material content, excellent resistance to weather and wear. For Redmond families seeking a secure and energy-conscious option, steel doors offer unbeatable performance. Doors with recycled materials. Many eco-friendly replacement doors now incorporate recycled or reclaimed materials, an appealing choice for Redmond homeowners committed to reducing waste. These may include recycled steel, recycled glass inserts, composite materials made from wood waste, upcycled decorative elements. Using recycled materials helps conserve resources while offering a unique, modern look that enhances your home's character. Low emission and VOC-free finishes. Another critical aspect of sustainability is the use of low VOC, volatile organic compound, paints, stains, and finishes. These environmentally safe coatings reduce airborne chemicals in your home and improve indoor air quality, something especially important for families, older adults, and those with allergies. Eco-conscious finishes offer reduced toxic emissions, long-lasting color and protection, a healthier indoor environment for homeowners who value clean, healthy living. VOC-free door options are an excellent choice. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. One of the biggest advantages of eco-friendly doors is their ability to prevent heat loss and block cold drafts. With Redmond's rainy winters and cooler temperatures, superior insulation means lower energy bills, improved comfort, and reduced environmental impact. Eco-friendly doors help Maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce strain on HVAC systems, lower annual energy consumption, create a cozier living environment year-round. A smart, stylish upgrade for Redmond Homes' eco-friendly replacement doors offer the best of both worlds: stylish design and sustainable performance. Whether you prefer the beauty of responsibly sourced wood, the strength of steel, or the efficiency of fiberglass, today's green door options help you reduce your carbon footprint while enhancing your home's overall appeal. If you're ready to upgrade your Redmond home with a door that's modern, energy efficient, and environmentally conscious, eco-friendly replacement doors are a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and sustainability for years to come.